Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.02 for immigration, which is a slight uptick, but the real story is in the momentum. It's dropped by minus 0.38 over the last 24 hours. That's a notable shift, especially considering the usual stability in this space. You might want to dig deeper into the 19 semantic clusters that our API identifies, revealing specific themes and concerns driving this sentiment. This can help you understand the nuances behind the numbers. One practical use case. You could leverage this data to inform policy proposals or advocacy efforts, tailoring your messaging based on the current sentiment landscape. To explore more about this API and how you can integrate it into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.